You've likely been told that when a woman shows no interest, the best move is to quit, walk away, or double down to impress her. But here's the uncomfortable reality. Women don't start missing men simply out of need. They miss men who leave behind a strong emotional impact, even when they're not present. This video isn't about cheap tricks or fake lines. It's about grasping female psychology at a deeper level and knowing how to position yourself so that even a woman who didn't notice you at first suddenly finds herself thinking about you when you're gone. Seems unlikely? It's not. The truth is, indifference isn't permanent. It's just a response. And once you learn how to turn that response around, you completely shift the way she sees you. Now, before you dismiss this, understand one thing. Making a woman miss you has nothing to do with chasing, begging, or constantly proving you're good enough. Those are the quickest ways to kill attraction. Women don't admire men who try too hard. What actually sparks longing is the opposite. It's not about being ever present. It's about being unforgettable. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how to achieve that, step by step. You'll see how to trigger curiosity, build respect, and create desire, even from a woman who once overlooked you. By the end, you'll realize this isn't about luck. It's about psychology and playing the game differently. Why chasing backfires? First, let's face a hard truth. Chasing destroys attraction. The more you pursue a woman, the faster she pulls away. It may feel natural. If you want someone, you show it, put in effort, and prove your worth. But in a woman's mind, this nearly always backfires. Why? Because chasing reverses the balance of power. Instead of her feeling fortunate to have your attention, she sees you as the one desperate for hers. And here's the reality. No one misses what they're already drowning in. If you're constantly calling, texting, and trying to win her over, you're giving her emotional overload. She doesn't need to think about you because you're already too available. Think of it like free food served daily. Would you crave it? Probably not. But if it disappeared, suddenly the craving kicks in. The same goes for attention. Women don't long for men who chase. They long for men who create distance and intrigue. And chasing also signals insecurity. It tells her you don't believe in your own value enough to stand still and let her come to you. Nothing turns attraction off faster than insecurity. Women gravitate to men who have options, who respect their time, and who don't need to beg. So the first rule if you want her to miss you: stop chasing, step back. Let the sow, now I want to hear from you. Have you ever chased too hard? Or noticed silence brought her back? Share your story in the comments. I'll be checking personally. This channel isn't just me talking, it's a community of men learning real female psychology, using it to gain respect, not lose it. And before we end, let me give you a preview. In the next video, we'll uncover why giving a woman total loyalty too soon might be the very reason she pulls away. So, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell and you